Hi guys, let's say you come across this question in your incoming exam. The question says the compound below represents dash. So what they're asking us in this question is they want you to identify the functional group, and after that, is it a primary, secondary or tertiary? So is it primary, secondary or tertiary? Looking at this compound, we can see that it is an alcohol because of the OH attaching to the compound. So it is an alcohol, but which type of alcohol? Is it a secondary, a primary or a tertiary alcohol? One thing you have to note when you want to identify the class of a compound is the same thing, not only for alcohol, is general for most organic compounds. Now, what you have to do, you want to identify the class of any organic compound. For primary, we always have two hydrogen attaching to the carbon carrying the OH. The carbon carrying the OH, we still have two hydrogen. Carbon carrying the OH, we have two hydrogen. We have two hydrogen, or we have one carbon. So that is primary. Then for secondary, if it is secondary, the carbon carrying the OH, we have two carbons, and it will have one hydrogen. Then for tertiary, the carbon carrying the OH, we have three carbons and zero hydrogen. So zero hydrogen. So that's how to identify the class of a particular compound. Now, looking at our compound that they gave us, this is the carbon carrying the OH. The carbon carrying the OH. So how many hydrogen attached to the carbon carrying the OH? How many hydrogen attached to it? When you check very well, there is no hydrogen attaching to this particular carbon. No hydrogen is attaching to it. That gives you a clue of tertiary. Now, in terms of carbon, how many carbon attached to the carbon carrying the OH? This is one carbon, another carbon, and another carbon, making three carbon. Then the answer for this question is tertiary alcohol, because it attached, the carbon carrying the OH attached to three carbons and zero hydrogen. If you have any other question concerning this, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.